We have a flat. What? Oh my god! He fell. He's bleeding. Whoa! We are doing it! I am installing street tires on the G2 Master. I am not even sure if those are going to fit, but we are doing it. Just look at them! By the way, I washed the G2 Master in my bathtub, and that was a big mistake because a lot of water got inside. I don't know how waterproof is the G2 Master. Be careful with that. I'm gonna change the tires without getting the wires out. So I have to take this cap off and unscrew this thing. Okay. Now we can take the fender off, together with the motor itself. Now the most important step of them all, deflate your tire. Try to uncover this wire a little bit. Let's take the disc brake out. That was easy. Now we can open the rim. Yo, I can't unscrew that. Yo, why are those screws so tight? Oh my god. Oh, I never had this issue before. Now we should be able to take it out. Dude, why is it not coming out? Come on! Dude! Okay, finally. Jesus, man. This was insanely difficult to take out. Let's get the rim out of place. We have a flat, guys. How am I going to fix this? This is useless. Well, this inner tube is cooked. It got punctured in multiple places right here. Basically, when they mounted it in the factory, they just got this thing in between the rims. And yeah, I can't use this thing anymore. Lucky me, I have a new one. Gatto. We have a car in my room. I really hope this one is okay. Oh my god. Today is our lucky day. This one is just fine. The only problem is that this valve right here is heading that way and this one is heading that way. This might actually work. I'm gonna spray the inside of this tire with some soap. That's a really important detail. Let's have it in place real quick. Add even more. You have to put the valve in position. Now just put the wheel in place. I am actually surprised by the fact that it fits. This is gonna be very difficult because this tire is way wider than the stock one. I need a third hand or something. Come on, don't move. Now we have to make sure you don't puncture the inner tube. We can screw all the screws in place. Not gonna lie, this tire looks badass. Let's put the disc brake in place. That looks clean. Now we just have to put the motor back. Got my dad to help me out. Come on. Finally. Thanks, Dad. Now it got in place. Let's put the brakes in place. And also the screws for the motors. Now obviously we have to do the same exact process for the front wheel too. Now the wheel should simply come off. Easy. Now we are safe to split the rim. Nice. Dude, why are those so tight? Okay, maybe that also works. The tire itself is glued somehow. Okay, it came off. Oh my god. We are lucky, guys. This one has no punctures in it. I had no other inner tube for sparing. I just have to take it out of the wheel. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah. Oh, finally. Just look how wide are those tires compared to those ones. That's why those fit really hard in place. Obviously, they will shrink once they get in position. Now put it in place, just like that. Now add some more soap. Try to put the valve in place. And now, let's put the rim back. This is the most difficult step, but once you get over this, it gets way easier. Now let's do the final checks. That's it. Now you can put all the screws back. Okay. Obviously, don't forget about your disc brake. Finally, the wheel is ready to be mounted back in place. Great, no air is coming out of it. Perfect. Lucky me, this one fits perfectly. I don't need any more help. Don't forget about those two little pieces. Now obviously secure these bolts. Dude, tell me this tire doesn't look absolutely sick, dude. Oh my god. Wow. Those people from this service just helped me out to get my rear fender off. Just look at this. The rear tire looks amazing right now. Obviously, I'm not going to ride on wet road with this scooter. Thank you so much. Wish you an amazing day. We also have Klaus G4 right here. I cannot believe this happened. Service Trottinette. Check those people out, dude. Dude, the G2 Master looks amazing right now. Yo, we've got Mr. Klaus. He's in better shape today. Man, that's a beautiful G4 right there. I can tell that his suspension is way more up right now. And it's extremely stiff. He needs to lower it. What do you think about the G2 Master with street tires? Too good. Too good. We need to loosen his suspension. So as you can see, I'm using a technique with this hammer. I'm pushing the key into it and then spinning it. Just like that. I never seen a tighter suspension on the G4 ever. So yeah, that's a way to do it. That is much better, I would say. Whoa! Bro, he dropped his AirPod. G-Force tires next to the G2 Master tires, they're almost identical, but those are just a little bit smaller. Those are 10 inch, those are 11 inch. Let's ride it. Bro, what are those people doing here? I bet you guys remember those two. They were in the G2 Master versus G4 video. This guy barely has some juice on this tire. Dude, that wheel is so clean. I mean, just look at him. Oh my god. That's sick. Yo, those kids really know how to wheelie, dude. That's awesome. He's so lightweight, he's taking off. They both tried it before, but they wanna see how are the street tires. Whoa. Clau also wants to try it out. They're leaving two on the same G4. Whoa! There is no way! I can tell that he loves the G2 Master right now. Just look at him. He's impressed. Come on. What? He also wants to try the G2 Master. Dude, that's so fun. Nah. Well, we are taking off. This guy, when it comes to wheelies, he's the GOAT. I've never seen better wheelies from someone in my life. Just look at him. That's perfectly clean. I can tell that I'm picking up speed way faster with the street tires on the G2 Master. That's for sure. Oh! So we are going to go out of this city, and for that I really need to conserve the battery on the G2 Master. So I'm gonna go on single motor. We should be able to make it. Those street tires feel so smooth on the G2 Master. Bro, he dropped his helmet. How did that even happen? That was funny. Dude, I can lean so much on those street tires. It's insane. Just look at Mr. Cloud. We've got spring into our city, finally. We've all been waiting for this. It is so beautiful outside. We are almost traversing an entire city right now, and I'm still on almost full battery. That's perfect. I managed to conserve the battery, and Mr. Cloud is not. Yo, no way. We've got the boys in here. Oh my god. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Dude, that bike is sick. Damn. And those kids were just cruising. How are we so many people in here?
G-Rock City, best ride out.
G-Rock City. Alright. I'm just gonna try this bike real quick. He's such a nice guy, he allowed it. I've tried your Saran before, but this thing is special. Let's see it. Dude! The hub motor is insane! And Sir Bombster is doing such a nice wheelie. Oh my god. Oh, we almost crashed. Wheel in there, wheel in there. Dude, this is sick. I absolutely love it. Yo, having a hub motor on your bike is absolutely gorgeous, dude. It feels so smooth, like not hearing that chain pulling and all that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nah. W bike, dude. Just look at those suspensions, dude. This is sick! Dude, we are so many! Like, what is happening right now? Dude, what? What are those moves? Damn! Can't understand anything.
Use code SCARLEFFN in Fortnite item shop.
This guy has 100k followers on TikTok by just doing Fortnite. This is living proof you can do it. Anyway, we are finally leaving, dude. We are going into a really nice place where we can do jumps and stunts and all that. That's gonna be insane. Those kids don't even have electric stuff, but still, they're coming with us. He's really struggling to keep up with us, but he's doing it somehow. Oh my god, that's shit right there. We've got shit on the street, dude. I'm gonna die today. Oh my god. Whoa, that was not looking that nice, but trust me, it felt nice. Whoa! 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 There are so many on the bike trail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another like 6 or 7 behind me. Mr. Clow lost his AirPods. He found it! No way! Yo, this guy just found it! Okay. Nah. Another one with the G2 Pro. No way! Those are 2 kids on the G4. That's an e-bike? Yo, that's an e-bike! And another 2 G2 guys. Oh my god! That guy was coming fast. Dude, this is the best day ever for rider. I mean, just look at us! There are so many! Oh my god! This is the biggest ride out I ever attended in my life. Yeah! Whoa! Lucky me, we've got the street tires, and those are extremely efficient. What? Yeah! They're picking up speed so fast. It's really hard to keep up with them. If I had the G4 Max right now, that would have been different. Whoa! Whoa! No way! No way! That's absolute skill right there. W wheelie, dude.
Thank you so much for with my ball, man.
Having street tires is a must today. The G2 Master has never been that smooth before.
3 tires are a must.
I need a second battery on the G2 Master, that's for sure. Oh my god, he fell. Oh my god. Dude, are you okay? He lost his fender. This is completely ripped apart. How did that even happen? Oh my god, he's bleeding. You're okay, you're okay. Take a seat, take a seat. This guy just almost died. And Mr. Clow is trying out his fender on his G4. Dude, that guy just almost died. I have like 70% battery. We are not stopping though. What is this guy doing? He identifies as a mechanic. We are all alive and safe. Dude, this guy, he might be just high or something. No. This is like the Grand Canyon. Dude, what is this place? I guess I'm gonna go full send. Oh! Dude! I had so much air right there. Let's go back. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Mr. Clow is gonna jump. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow! He just took off. That was decent. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nah. Whoa!
This dude fell. He sucks.
That's gonna be insane. What? That was like 1 meter in the air, dude. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Whoa! Whoa! Those suspensions are perfect for jumping. So he just jumped all the way from there.
Right about here.
Oh my god. This guy just visited heaven for a sec. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is some serious off-road right here. I don't know. Nice. This is like a plane or something. Yo! I cannot end the video without trying a sound. Come on. Oh my god! I've got 100 mosquitoes in my eyes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, this is the next level of comfort. Oh. Dude, I'm going so fast! Oh my god! That's what I'm saying, dude. There is no way. Get out there and enjoy your life. You are never gonna be this young again. He's wild. Yeah! Somehow I made it home. You should really know that the street tires improved the range on the G2 Master insanely much. W ride out, dude. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned.